Welcome to this week's Signal Stock Breakdown for the week of June 5, 2026. Before we get into this week's movers, let us check in on last week's Apex Prime price targets. Our forecast accuracy for the week of May 29, 2026, was spot on, achieving a perfect 5 out of 5. Apex Prime targets are probability-weighted estimates for educational purposes only, but the data speaks for itself. Now let us get into this week. This week's top movers are AMAT and KLAC. Both are semiconductor equipment makers, the picks and shovels of the AI chip industry. Every chip manufactured globally requires their equipment to exist. Let us break them down. The first stock, Applied Materials. Applied Materials surged 11.47% this week on strong earnings momentum. The second quarter 2026 results beat expectations, with revenue up 11% year-over-year to $7.91 billion. Net income surging 31% to $2.81 billion. Mizuho raised their price target to $540, keeping outperform. Bernstein reaffirmed buy. Applied Materials is also in discussions to supply semiconductor tools for Elon Musk's Terafab AI chip project. AI wafer fab spending for 2026 is projected above $140 billion. Here's a signal stock trading signal for Applied Materials. Short term. Hold. After an 11% surge to all-time highs, near-term consolidation is likely. Entry zone 480 to 495. Stop loss below 470. Medium term. Buy. AI wafer fab spending above $140 billion for 2026. Applied Materials is essential infrastructure for every chip made globally. Long term. Buy. Every AI chip, every advanced logic node requires Applied Materials equipment. Structurally positioned for multi-year growth. The core thesis is that every AI chip requires AMAT equipment. Demand is structural, not cyclical. And, the risk is that China export restrictions could remove 30% or more of their addressable market overnight. Next, we have KLA Corporation. KLA Corporation surged 10.90%. KLA announced a 10-for-1 stock split effective June 12. The share price moves from over $2,000 to approximately $213 post-split, making it accessible to a much broader retail investor base. Revenue grew 11% year-over-year to $3.4 billion last quarter. KLA dominates process control, the quality inspection step that every semiconductor fab runs for every wafer, every day. Here is signal stock trading signal for KLA Corporation. Short term. Buy. The stock split on June 12 is a confirmed catalyst. Entry zone 2050 to 2100. Stop loss below 1980. Medium term. Buy. Guidance calls for high-teen revenue growth in 2026. Next earnings July 23 is the next major catalyst. Long term. Buy. KLA dominates process control with no credible substitute. As semiconductor complexity grows with each AI chip generation, demand for yield management tools only increases. KLA has dominant process control monopoly. Its stock split on June 12 unlocks a retail buying wave. The key risk is that any slowdown in AI capital expenditure would hit semiconductor equipment orders immediately. That is your signal stock breakdown for the 5th of June 2026. The standout call this week is KLA. Buy across all three timeframes. The 10-for-1 stock split on June 12 is a confirmed event. That is a rare setup where the catalyst is locked in before you even enter. Every Friday the data tells a story. Every week we break it down. Stay tuned for more insights and subscribe for regular updates on market trends.